Alright, so now our tires are finished. We have most of the paint off on both sides with the wire brushes. So now we're going to get this rust neutralizer and put it on some spots where we missed. That first coat of neutralizer dried, and I decided I probably should tape them up before I do any more painting because that stuff might not be too good for my rubber. So I'm going to tape them up, spray a little more neutralizer on them. Taped up. Now we're going to put our next layer of rust neutralizer on, and then we're going to put the rest of the paint on. Tires are done drying, so now we're going to untape them, and then they're going to be done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video.